First of all, Arun, thank you for being here. And today's question is, can yoga help with different kind of allergies like food allergy, seasonal allergy to pollen?
Yes, this is a very vast topic, and this has different kinds of ramifications for different kinds of people. Some people have food allergy, completely different from seasonal allergy, and completely different from allergy with pollution and pollen. Since yoga is a holistic approach to health, and it's a traditional science which has been cultivated over thousands of years of experience. The good news is that by practicing yoga, you can improve your ability to withstand major changes in our environment, whatever it is, whether it is to do with water and food, whether it's to do with the air or the seasons. That's the good news. A person who practices yoga religiously, regularly, the digestion of that person will be extraordinarily better than somebody who doesn't. And it would be something which is normal, that a human being should have. And because the human body is in millions of years of evolution, the matter is very simple. If the body can do what it was designed to do, then because it has evolved over thousands of years of trying to survive the next catastrophe, the body is inherently designed to take care of any kind of toxic stuff that it is going to be subjected to. So in this case, if your digestion can come back to normal, then you can digest anything. The Western approach is slightly different, or the modern scientific approach is slightly different. You eliminate certain kinds of foodstuffs from your diet. And keywords being something like, for example, gluten. On the other hand, a yogi, somebody who's practicing yoga, can digest even iron. Well, this is just a metaphor, but you really can digest any kind of food if you practice yoga regularly. So you will not get a food allergy. I had one of my students, and now she's one of our senior teachers. She had 24 food allergies when she came to the first yoga class. And she said, is there anything specific I can do which will get rid of these food allergies? I said, no, yoga is holistic. We work on you and then your allergies go away. We don't work on those allergies because that's something coming from outside. We have to work on the internal system. Similarly, if you have a seasonal allergy, that means that your body is not able to withstand the changing environment. There also the body is infinitely protected because you're not 20, 30, 40 years old, you're actually 1 billion years old. Each of these cells have survived many, many different kinds of seasons over generations of evolution. So your body is already designed to withstand the change of season. In fact, we know that many people take a bath with cold water. Many people, even in cold countries, take a bath with cold water. But many people want a hot shower in winter. Why is that? That's because we feel that the body is weak, or we feel that the body may not be able to withstand that cold. But just as a reminder, animals don't have blankets and rugs. And our pre-evolutionary monkeys also don't have any kind of woolens, and still they are able to withstand the season. Similarly, the body is able to withstand seasonal allergies if the body goes back to being natural. And yoga makes the body go back to its normalcy. And the last one is, of course, allergy due to pollution and pollen and so on. And even here, the practice of pranayama, the practice of relaxation, the practice of a proper diet, the practice of positive thinking and meditation, the practice of asanas, makes you far more resilient and strong to withstand something like pollen in the air. And the thing to understand is that many people don't have the pollen allergy in the same city. So all you need to understand is that we can also be normal like them, withstand any kind of attack. So when you practice yoga, you will be able to take care of any kind of allergy that comes up, and you'll be able to protect yourself against it and prevent it from occurring in the future.
So that concludes this episode of Talks with Arun on health and wellness. I hope you found this conversation useful on your path to wellness. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. If you have additional queries, post them in the comment box and we'll be more than happy to include those in our future episodes. Till then, stay well. Namaste.